Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about ice cream. Number 1. Ice cream is a frozen dessert. Number 2. It is cold, sweet and creamy. Number 3. It comes in various flavors such as vanilla, chocolate and strawberry. Number 4. Some people prefer it in cones, others in cups. Number 5. Ice cream can be enjoyed alone or as a topping. Number 6. It is perfect for hot summer days. Number 7. It melts quickly in warm weather. Number 8. Ice cream is available worldwide. Number 9. It is a staple dessert at most of the parties. Number 10. Sharing a scoop with friends brings joy and laughter. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.